Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools at hand. You will need a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Having these tools ready will streamline the process. Start by powering off your Lenovo Legion Y540 and disconnecting it from any power source. Once it's completely shut down, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips #0 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 8 screws, so ensure you keep them organized. This is a good time to mention that if you're not comfortable performing this task, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the panel is removed, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It's usually a large rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, ensure you're grounded with your anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could harm your laptop. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling out the connector from the motherboard. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid damaging the connector. If you have difficulty, don't force it. Instead, check for any additional screws that might be holding it in place. If you find this too challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to take care of this for you. Once the battery is disconnected, you can remove it from the compartment. Take a moment to clean the inside of the laptop using a can of compressed air, especially around the fan and heat sinks. This will help in maintaining optimal performance and cooling. Now, take your new battery and place it in the compartment. Connect it to the motherboard securely. Ensure that it's firmly in place to avoid any issues when you power on the laptop. Before sealing the back cover, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Flip the laptop back over, connect it to power, and turn it on. If the laptop powers up and recognizes the new battery, you're on the right track. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in all services. Once you confirm that the new battery is functional, turn the laptop off again and proceed to replace the back cover. Reattach the back panel and secure it by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately but not over-tightened, as this could damage the panel. Finally, flip your Lenovo Legion Y540 back over, power it on, and enjoy your device with its new battery. Remember, if you don't have the tools or prefer a professional touch, we can handle it for you with no calls or travel required. Simply reach out to us for assistance with your laptop needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.